अब ओपन करते हैं एक नया कंपनी क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ। ये 1762 में क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ। कंपनी का नाम होगा विद्या पॉलिटेक LLP। ये LLP मैं हटा देता हूँ अब। दिल्ली पूरा डमी एड्रेस, डमी नेम न्यू दिल्ली का C94 स्टार वजीरापुर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, वजीरपुर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, रिंग रोड दिल्ली। ठीक है। ये डमी फ़ोन नंबर 1142475556। ठीक है। इसके बाद अब टाइप कर रहा हूँ ईमेल आईडी। ये भी डमी ईमेल आईडी है, vidya@gmail.com। अब थोड़ा चेंज करने वाला हूँ मैं, vidyapolitech@gmail.com, polytech@gmail.com। अब यहाँ पे टाइप करता हूँ 07 ABCDE 11 PZ1 रेगुलर। वो पूरा डमी एड्रेस सिर्फ डेमो दिखाने के लिए। अब सेव हो रहा है कंपनी। सेव होते ही एज इट इज 1762 it will ask for passwords. So my password will be always 123 and 123. So confirmation password will also be 123. Now I will type that 123. I'm waiting that company to be created. हो रहा है, it's being happening. The now new company is being created. The reason for this type of customer report, it will be always 123 and 123. That will be my favorite shortcut, and I'll be always using that shortcut. Okay, now I'll exit. I will come to masters and add a master. Its name will be Sanjay. Group sundry debtor. Yes, GST number, it will be a dummy GST number. डेमो दिखाने के लिए एक डमी GST नंबर क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ। आई एम क्रिएटिंग ए डमी GST नंबर। सो यस, इट हैज़ बीन क्रिएटेड। It has been created with a small error message that showed only 14 digits, so already existing there. So I made it 15 now. This mobile number belongs to me. Anybody who does want to talk to me, they cannot talk to me. They can just leave a message as it is. This mobile number is having WhatsApp, so that anybody, if they want to take any clarification or if they want to talk to me, they can just leave a message at WhatsApp. Now I'm going for voucher configuration. Here in the voucher configuration, I'll make that voucher numbering and automatic round off. It is for the sales voucher, I'm renumbering as 2023-24 / starting number will be 125 and now saved. Okay, it's saved now. Now at the configuration part, I'm going to add round off. It's not going to add, it's already there. I'm making round off. I have enabled round off. Now I have come to sales invoice. I'll select multi-rate. Sanjay will come now. I'll select Sanjay. Now I'll press F3. I had pressed F3. Rain Poncho. That's the product. Rain Poncho. Poncho. Rain Poncho will be the item name. Dummy stock. I have created 10 piece. 100 rupees. It's 80. Oh, that should be 850. I made a mistake. It's okay. So that will be 100. Now 140. MRP 140. Now see, for every product, the taxable amount, how to calculate the taxable amount is, I want to sell it at 100 rupees. So 100 divided by 1.12 in this case, because 12 is the GST percentage. So it will be 1.12. 1.12. So that comes to 89.28571. Okay, minus, okay. Now that will come to 10.71, I think. 10.71, yes. That will be considered as a discount. I'll go back to voucher configuration. At the voucher configuration, I'll go to sales voucher. In the sales voucher, I am now enabling discount. Because in that item voucher configuration master at configuration part, I had enabled a discount. There I mentioned as 10.71 as discount amount. Now I am billing Sanjay rain pouch 2 piece. So automatically that has calculated, the value has come from directly from there. Now I have to add CGST. Since it is 17.62, everything I have to mention. In the later versions, it is not like that after 16. Okay, now I have saved. So now I'm going for the second bill. So it's also for Sanjay. Save. Yes, I have varied the quantity. I'm now typing CGST. It will be enter pressed. The value is 6%. Now I'm going to save it. Okay. Now Sanjay has 2 invoices. If I press Alt L, there will be 2 invoices. Again 12.4. It is for Sanjay. Rain Poncho. It's 1 piece. Okay, 1 piece. Now I pressed F9 and deleted that line. CGST, it will be 6%. It's a dummy value. Just I'm showing that I'm making you to see that it's going to happen. Now I have changed the party right now. See CGST. It will be 6%. So I have saved. One more will be cash. I will make one more invoice for the cash. Now this is for the cash. Same values. I am not bothered about the value. The value I have taken there as a dummy value. Oh, that is done now. Now I'll go back. I'm going to press now Alt L. I have pressed Alt L and selected Sanjay. I wanted to see the account ledger of Sanjay. So I have opened Sanjay. The date range is 1/4 to 13/4. That's the 13/4 is the last transaction date. Now this is the standard format. What you are seeing on the screen is a standard format. Now we'll add as a new design. I'm going to add one more format, and that design is new design. I am disabling those features. See what you're seeing on the screen. I'm disabling those features. So now the report will be changed. And now if you press Alt L and if you select a new design, it will be a different thing. Just only these things are coming. Now I am disabling account 2. I'm disabling account 2. Save format. And going back once again, there's no account. Voucher bill number is there, type is there, date is there. Okay, that's there. Now I'm going to, so that will be disabled. Okay, now I'm going for display. I want to add SQL codes corresponding for that. So there's it's not called SQL, it's called SQL codes. Control Shift F2 is my favorite password and I do use it always. Now I'm going to add a query by the name 01. The query runs as select. I'm going to write a subquery. I will explain what is the importance of that. tran1.date, that is I want to retrieve the field called date from tran1 table, from tran1 where tran1.voucher code is equal to @p1 because whatever the value that does do come at voucher code, it will be posted directly onto that flex grid or that some grid, whatever that may be, comma. I want the format. Say I want the format like mmm 3 times m. That's I'm going to delete that. What you are seeing on the screen is I don't want that format. I just want to delete that date part. I'm going to delete that from that format so that whatever that comes on the screen will be having month and year only. Okay, month only. That is the complete month, complete year. If it is December, then that will be printed as December only. Alt L, I'm going to press Alt L, pressed Alt L, selected new design right now. The party is Sanjay. See, you are seeing there, it has not come month. After F1, I have selected after F1 text. The query is 01. Parameters is voucher code, and whatever that result comes from the voucher, I'm going to pick it from the voucher itself. So I got it, April 2003. So whatever the month may be, because I'm using a demo project, I cannot go beyond 30 days. So I'll be adding one more field to the report. It is 02. Select GST number from master address info as M2, where M2 dot yes, what is that? M2 dot, where M2 dot master code is equal to tran1 dot master code 1. tran1 dot master code 1, that's not voucher code, it's tran1 dot master code 1. Now I'm closing the subquery. The first subquery will run. That subquery will find out that tran1 master code 1 from tran1 field. That query, that voucher number, that code will be directly taken to the master address info field, and from there it will be picked. Now I'm going to add one more, that is I'm going to add GC number. Okay, that will be 02, it will be OVC. Save. So after refreshing, I got the GST number of the party. That GST number does belong to Sanjay. So that number belongs to Sanjay. Now I will be adding 3 more queries one by one. Now the query number 3. Query number 3 is balance amount. Select. That is what I have been planning to do. Select sum of tran1 dot voucher amount base कर का मतलब means currency, where tran1 dot voucher code is equal to voucher code @p1 . Now I'll make that query type to custom column. Okay, I did it. It is now under custom column. So I'm going to add custom column. Now every query will be added to the last column. So what do I do add here is amount 03, SQL query name 03, yes it is 03, and I'll be adding it from voucher code. Okay, I got it from voucher code. Now yes, this is the pending amount, this is the invoice amount, and that is the actual invoice amount. That's not the pending amount, but that is the invoice amount 04. Now I want to present the pending amount. Select sum of, it is not a subquery, it's a direct query, sum of tran3 dot value 1 from tran1, where tran3 dot voucher code is equal to at the rate voucher code, and tran3 dot voucher type will be no, it's not necessary for me to mention the voucher type. That is the query. What you're seeing on the screen is the query. Now I'm completing that. With the completion of that, I'll be adding one more field. That field is called due amount. Whatever the amount that seems to be due, I have mentioned it over there. Now it will be 04, and I'm adding direct. I'm retrieving the value from voucher code. Okay. So now I got value here, but it has come in terms of minus. So I'm going to edit it. Now instead of numeric with the dr and cr symbol. So now whatever that dr is, that dr, and it will be a cr. It will be dr under now. Now it is under dr. It is 400 rupees dr. Okay. Now you got that value. Now I'm going to find one more query. I'm going to write one more query which shows actually the pending days. Select date of. Now I'm going to write a date of. Date of means whatever the system date, I'll be picking that from directly from Windows. That is from hard disk. System date from tran3, where tran3 dot voucher code is equal to at the rate voucher code. That is for sending the data direct to that grid, whatever that may be. Custom column, saved. Okay. We'll add a word called pending days. That will be the last one. SQL query 05, and parameter will be VC. Now it has to come. There's no other go, and it has to come. Yes, that invoice is pending since 65 days. That due amount I have given you, all that I have given you. Okay, right? Now I'm going to print it from Busy. If I go to print it from Busy, now I have a plan of adding document header. This document header could come for any invoice or anything it can come. Now please watch it on screen. Now I am adding, yes, I'm going to add, it's called a new design. In this new design I'm going to add it. There I'm going to add an image. I'll press now F4. From F4 I will get that image path and image property. As I got it now. That is the image I have selected. After pressing F4, I have selected. Now I'm going for show desktop. From desktop, I'm going to D drive Ankit images folder. That's what I'm planning to do so. I'll leave that as it is there, and now I'll move on to the top one left image. This I have selected as is. I was very much fascinated by that. So cancel. I'm checking the size of the document because Busywin does not support anything more than 550 KB. So I've selected that one. Now I'll press right click. Now I'll select security. That image path, object path, I have been copying that. I have copied that object path. Now I'll go there and the path, at the path part I will post that path, and now I'm going to path part I have done. Now I've been thinking twice what could be wrong that I want to change. Actually, in most cases I have changed. For those who are doing without bill items, I have generated separate custom reports for them, header reports, and in all that custom reports I have removed some things. No, this is too much, image size is too much. So what I do is, image size is too much, I will push it now. I have come back. I have been searching to go back to the document header that is there at configuration. Here I have come. Now what I am doing is I am just altering it. So I want to add 1.0 inch, 1.0 inch, 1.0 inch, and now 1.0 inch. Now I want to add with this, I want to add company name. This is I have been planning to do. Now I want to add dear sir or madam, that is the word which I will type down, and after typing down that, this is what I have been planning to do. Here I cannot make much more alterations. If I am doing without bill business and printing that directly from grid or as it is from account ledger, that will relieve my real customer real shop name. So I want to mask, that's I want to hide that. So I will use this header. It's okay. I have a provision to provide 3 lines. Now pressed company name, it will be, I will make it 96 for C. I made it 96 for L, it's okay. Now I have done it, it's okay. It's okay. Whatever you want to take out, carry over information, that you can take it from here. Now I have saved it. Okay. In case of without bill companies, that and all that details not needed, that has to be removed. Otherwise, your identity will be revealed. Now I'll press print. I will press from busy. Now I'll come here, that is the header changed. See, now I got a header. Now I got a header, a report header. This is the standard format. Account ledger standard format. Now I will change it. I'll go back. I will change here. It's 80 column. It's okay. It's all there. It's all there. It's okay. 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 Now I will go for it comes under new design. Yes. See, this is what, see the fields. Month I have given, sale type I have given, voucher bill number I have given, GST number it has come, invoice amount has come, due amount has come, pending days has come. Okay, okay, okay. Now, as it is from grid, now I will add I will not add, I will reduce the size. This is what I am planning. That is from left is there. That is, I will take it for the right. That company name is there. I will take the company name to the right. In this case, I want to take it to the right. Maybe different for other cases. Yes, now you are seeing here on the screen. Now we'll print it. Let us see the preview. It's okay. Now that Vidya Polytech that has gone to the side. Now the customer name is hiding now. So what I will do is I will just reduce the size of the header, that image. See, you got everything. Now I will go back. I have to go back to header portion, report header. What I am doing is, yes, I am pressing quit. I am pressing there. Now I will go back to header. I am here at header. Here at header, what I want to do is, now I will show you. I want to reduce the height and width of the image. I want to reduce the height and width of the image. I have been testing, I have been checking, is there anything possibility to provide party name? That does not exist there. So what I will do is, not happy with the whatever that I am seeing here on the screen, because I have not done much of the alteration work. Okay, now I'll come back here. That I will remove that one, right arrow, so that I have taken that to the top side. Okay, second and third one. Now even with this it will not be satisfactory. I have to go back to the image. Yeah, it is saved now. I'll come back here. And I have been testing it. It's okay. Still I'm not happy with that account name. Now we'll come back. I will come back. Wait, I will come back. I will press. I will come back. Yes, I am there. I have come back. There I am going to reduce the image of the, says I am going to make it 0.70. That's what is there in my mind. And one more thing is, the width of the image and now height of the image will be 0.70. So now I will save that image. Now I want to press Alt L. I pressed Alt L. Now seeing that design from here, this is the request of Govind Bajaj from Rajasthan. As per the request of Govind Bajaj ji, yes, now it's all right. I have taken this project and this project is over by now. Yes, it is over.